안녕하세요. 은비 언니예요. Have you heard of something called 애교? If you watch a lot of romantic K-drama, you probably have seen many girls doing 애교 like this.
오빠, 치즈버거 사주세요. 치즈버거 2개 먹을 거예요.
This word is a Sino-Korean. 애 means love, and 교 means lovely, adorable, or beautiful. 애교, I would translate it as an adorable act. So it's not only used for human, it can also be used on dogs or cats, because dogs and cats, they do some adorable acts, right? It does not necessarily have to be like a baby, but it's quite common. Many girls or even boys sometimes mimic the act of baby or talk like baby to make themselves look cute and adorable. Do I do 애교? Only for a joke and when I'm drunk. So here are some 애교 you can try to your beloved ones to make them fall in love with you or to gross them out.
자기야, 보고 싶어 또.
Sorry, I cannot repeat this 3 times.
나 무서운 꿈 꿨어. 나 이뻐? 나는 오빠가 제일 좋아. 근데 배고파요.
If you never tried this in your life, it will take some practice. Like I mentioned earlier, 애교 does not necessarily have to sound like a baby. So if it seems like you guys like this video, I'll probably make another 애교 video of non-baby-like version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!